Hey everyone, how's it going? So in honor of the new Mario movie, I thought it'd be fun to show you how to draw a Princess Peach surprise fold in her castle. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Princess Peach's castle, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by folding my paper in half. I'm going to line up the corners, give it a nice fold, so it's like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners again, and I'm going to give it another nice fold. So it's kind of like a big bookmark. Then I'm going to open it up, and I've got these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And then I like to turn it this way so I can really open it up like a surprise. Now to start off with our Princess Peach surprise fold, we're going to start off by making the castle. So I'm going to start right here at the fold, and I'm going to make two lines that come down. Kind of like an upside down V. I'm going to make two little lines that go in, and I'm going to do the same thing. Next, I'm going to make two lines that come down. And then we'll just draw a nice little line across. I'll make a line that goes up and down for the door, and another line that goes right around here. Then I'll make a little line down the middle. Right here, I'm going to make a line that comes up to a point and down, and then we'll make a line across. This will be kind of like where the little stained glass window is. And I'll do the same thing. We're just going to draw that same shape right around here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line across, and another little line across here. And then right here, I'm going to make two lines that come down. And then I'll make two lines that come down here. I'll bring this line across, and this line across. We'll make two lines that come in and connect it. Two lines that come in here, and we'll just connect it, just how we did over there. Next, I'll make two lines that go straight down with a line across. I'll do that same thing over here. Two lines straight down and a line across. Then I'll make two lines that curve down here. We'll bring it across, and let's throw a second line right across there too. Same thing here. A couple lines down, bring it across, and another line across. Then we're just going to draw a line across here at the bottom. Inside here, I'm going to make a little sad face with a line across. And over here too, little sad face with a line across. Now, right up here, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come over and down. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go up, over, and down. Then, right here, I'm going to make this line go out a little bit longer on each side. And then I'm going to make some details. I'm going to go up, over, and down. And I'm going to repeat this a few times just to give it kind of like that castle look. So do that same thing here. Go up, over, and down. We're going to go over, up, and across, and just kind of continue this around there. Right across here, let's make a straight line. And then we'll do that same thing. We'll just make some little lines go right across here, just to give it kind of like that castle look. Now right here, let's go up a little bit. we're going to make it come to a point. And then we're going to curve this across with a little line down. We're going to go over. And we're going to curve this around and then bring it in. Line down here, line down here. And then right here, I'm going to go up, over, and down. And then we'll make a little point right up here. And then we'll put a little flag up here at the top. Right here, I'm going to go up, over, and down. And same thing here. I'm going to go up, over, and down. We'll make a little line across the top. And then we'll make some little flags right here at the top too. I'm going to draw a couple little lines that come down. And then I'm going to add a few more little windows in here too for our castle for Princess Peach. We'll do some little small ones right up here. Now, once we have the castle drawn, we want to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we have this open, we have two halves of our castle. So, first thing I want to do is I'm going to bring this line up just a little bit, right past that fold. I'll do the same thing here. And then I'm going to bring these two lines down just a little bit. That way we can keep them out of the fold. We know where we want to put our Princess Peach inside of here. Now, right inside of here, we're going to make Princess Peach. So let's go ahead and start with the hair. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come down and then up in like that V shape. And then I'm going to draw two little curved lines right there. I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. We'll make the little V shape and bring it up, or the upside down V shape. And then we'll just bring it up here for the hair. Then we're going to make this come down and up here. Starting here, I'm going to make a big curve and then another one here for the eyes. Then we'll make a little line right underneath here. I'll make a big oval shape inside of here. And then I'm going to make a little black dot inside of here for the pupils. We can make this a little bit bigger. We'll add some little eyelashes right across here. And then a small little eyebrow above each eye. I'm going to make a little tiny dot for the nose. And then for the mouth, let's make a smile. We'll make a line that comes down and up. And then a little line here. And a little line across there. Let's make a little curve for the tongue and a line across for the teeth, and I'll just color this part in. I'm going to make a half circle shape on each side for the ears. And then a big circle on each side for the earrings. Now let's work on the hair. So I'm going to, well actually let's do the neck first. So I'm going to make two lines that come down. Then I'm going to make a line that comes up. We'll go across and then down, and then we'll just connect it. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves out here, and another one that curves out here. Then I'm going to make a little bump right here for part of the dress, and a little curve here, and a little curve here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and then out and in here. Then I'm just going to draw a little line across, and I'm going to go up and up, kind of like she's coming out of a window. I'll make 2 little lines here, and 2 little lines here. And I'll make 2 little points here to start her gloves. So we're going to make 2 little curvy points like this. Let's make 2 lines that come up, and 2 lines that come up. I'll make a line that comes around on each side for the thumb. And then we'll make some little fingers here, 4 fingers. Do the same thing here. We'll do 1, 2, 3, and 4 and bring it down. Then we'll just draw a little line across. Now let's go ahead and work on the hair. So I want to start here, and I'm going to make a big curve that's just going to go up, down, and out. And same thing here, up, down, and out. Bring it in, out, and then bring it in. Same thing, we're going to bring it out and in, and then out, and then in. Bring this line down on each side. I want to make a curve out to a point on each side. And then I'm going to do one more that's going to come up here. So I'll do one more that's just going to come right up to here. Now for the crown, I'm going to go up, down, up, down, up, and down. I'll put a circle on here and then 2 half circles. And then right here on the front of her dress, I'll make an oval with a smaller oval inside of it. Now, once we have Princess Peach on there, then we want to finish off with the castle. So to finish the castle, we just want to add a few more details. So I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. And same thing here. And we'll bring these lines down a little farther. I'll bring this line right up to about her hair. And then I'm going to make another line that comes across here. And then I'm going to put some of these little square shapes on here. Same thing here. Put some more of these little square shapes. Then I'm going to do another row of this. We're going to go up, over, and down. And same thing. We're going to go up, over, and then down. One of those kind of like pink parts of the castle. Make a line that goes up, over, and down. We're going to go up, over, and down. And we'll put another little flag up here on each one. Then I'm going to bring this down and in. This down and in. Same thing here, down and in, down and in. And then we can always make another little row or a little line across here. And we can make more of these little square shapes right across our castle. And then I'm going to put a little window in on each side. And there you go. There is Princess Peach inside of her castle on a surprise fold. When you have it all folded up, we have the castle, and then when you open it, Princess Peach is popping out. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.